On Friday, 28th January 2022, the Governor of Meghalaya, Mallick, had released two books written by Dr. Jean S. DKHAR and ALFIDARIE KHARSYNTIEW. माँ की अनमोल रतन is a translation into Hindi by Dr. Jean S. DKHAR, while the book written by her younger sibling, ALFIDARIE KHARSYNTIEW, entitled Ki MATTI Nala RYMPEI, is a collection of folk poems in KHASI. The books were released at the Bhavan, Shillong, where the Governor of Meghalaya, Mallick, graced the occasion as chief guest, while Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, was the special guest at the event. Others present included Head of Linguistics Department, NEHU, Professor Shailendra Kumar Singh, Principal St. Edmund's College, Shillong, Dr. Sylvanus Lamare, and Dean School of Humanities, Northeastern Hill University, Dr. Streamlet DKHAR, besides others.